Hey guys, in this video we're going to be discussing what a hard part is. So a client likes to have a part. In the previous video I showed you what a parted look looks like, and this is basically it. We just part the hair and separate it with no hard line or anything like that. But a hard part is when you do the parted look and then you grab your liner and then you actually cut in a line along the line that you have created. And this looks something like this. You take your liner, and you cut in the line, making a defined, clear, and clean line for the client. And so putting in the line in your client's hair will allow the client to find that part a lot easier. When they wake up in the morning, all they have to do is brush their hair back, find the part, and then comb it over without having to worry about getting a nice clean line because it's all already been cut out for them.